Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 20 and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So first of all we have to open our contact list, for example by using the dialer. Now let's find the contact we'd like to edit and tap on it and pick this edit icon which is in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on the camera icon right in the middle, and as you can see your device gives you two different options from which you can choose. So you can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can simply choose a photo from the gallery. So I will pick this option this time. And here you can decide where you want to complete the section, so it can be kind of regular default gallery or Google Photos. I will pick the gallery. And now let me find in the albums the photo I'd like to use. And as you can see from this step we can change the size of this highlighted square. We can of course change the position of it. Unfortunately we cannot zoom in or out. And basically this highlighted area is responsible for what you will see after saving the whole contact. So it will be displayed later on. So position it just like you want to, and if you're happy with the results, just tap on the tick icon in the right upper corner. As you can see, the photo has been applied right here, so remember to tap on save again in the right upper corner, it's important. And as you can see, the contact has been saved. This is how it looks like. You will be able to see this photo, for example, on the contact list or whilst all incoming calls from that number. So basically that's all. This is how to add the photo to a contact in your INFINIX Hot 20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.